All right, guys, we're back again. This one is a very serious one. Coming from Kalu. Kalu. Sorry, is it Kalu? Kalu. That name, Orji Kalu. I prefer that one because the other one, Kalu, is very, very difficult to pronounce. It was granted an interview yesterday at Channels by Cheo. For the first time, the Igbos are crying out. And now, not the good Igbos, so not the good one, because the good one don't feel cry out before. We don't know. They have been marginalized, they have been denied of their rights and many other things. But now, stylishly, also Orji Kalu is speaking, saying that not be saying we don't know what they do because we don't want to talk. Make Babangida make it confess. Make Babangida write the part 2 of this book. We want to hear him. People will advise him. People will talk to him. People will say make he treat Abiola like that. Apart from all self, I know what with the face for Nigeria and this that. But at the end of the day, Babangida was put under pressure. Babangida, not be they talk so, unquote. You understand? So it was going this way, the same time going this way. So it is difficult for you to digest with the Orji Kalu one talk so. Listen to her.
Nigerians are very unfair to Babangida.
Really?
Yes. Because Babangida came out. When I said that the story is not complete, I wanted President Babangida to write more of the stories. There are officers who ask Babangida, no, you cannot hand over to this man. There are people, this is why we needed, Nigerians are not very fair to Babangida. He came out on his own to say things that nobody ever said. That we could have respected people to say things he said. For example, what he said about the Igbos, that the military coup was not Igbo coup. And people have heard the Igbos on ground for this particular sin, which they never committed. Major Kaduna Nzogwu never spoke Igbo, although he's from Igbo land. He was born and bred up in Kaduna. And he was just a forthright officer who wanted a new Nigeria. It was when few officers refused to do what they're supposed to do that it became a problem. If they have gone ahead to execute the coup in Eastern Nigeria, execute it here and there'll be no problem. So some people either develop cold feet or found another strategy.
When you say some Nigerians are not fair to IBB, are you referring to the Abacha family who are aggrieved?
No. I'm
just
not
a moment, sir. Just a moment, sir. Are you referring to MK Abiola family, or you are referring to those who were incarcerated and those who were jailed and spent many years in prison, and those who lost their lives? Family of those who lost the Vasta family and the rest.
The man, this is why that more military people that were there should talk about. There should be second part of the book. Because if we mention only one name or two names, or they are not interested, they should go all hog and tell Nigerians the truth. Who should? I know the top military men. Babangida should write the second book. I know Babangida was in danger throughout this period. If you remember the way he left power, you will know something was wrong. You know
what could have stopped him from handing over to Abiola?
Well, I don't know because I'm not a military man, but I know something was wrong.
So when you exonerate him in that manner, for those of Nigerians...
No, I'm not saying he's exonerated. He has his own life to live. But I'm talking on the point of where he has exonerated the Igbos.
So you imagine that he should be commended?
To me, he should be commended. Because the rest of the country have heard bad things against the Igbos. Forget people like us that you see us, you see the face of Nigeria. You see us, we represent what Nigeria should be. We don't know Igbo, we don't know Hausa, we don't know Yoruba. We only know Nigeria. Forget about it. They have maltreated our people in this country because of the Civil War, which offense we never committed. Many Igbos, many of my brothers and sisters have suffered because of the Civil War.
In what way do you think?
And none of the generals was able to come out and say Igbos never participated in this.
In what way would you say Igbos have suffered because of the alleged tagging of an Igbo coup? Just for a moment, sir. Just for a moment, sir.
When last you made Igbo man to sensitive position in this country, people, because they say that Igbos planned the coup, people were afraid.
So you imagine that there is a kind of distrust.
Yes, of course.
Politically speaking.
Politically, economically, socially, everything. Some of us keep quiet, not because we don't know what to say. We just keep quiet, let the sleeping dog lie. You know the way people maltreat the Igbos in the polity. We don't want to be talking about this because I think that in our schools, in everywhere, we should go back to write a history, full history of the Civil War, write a history of everything that Nigeria, that we should teach our children history in school. Otherwise, we will not heal. This country needs to be healed, and this country needs to be one. Unless we are one, faced by competition, the country will still be limbering.
Unayera, you see, I've said it before so many times that you see that evil where we dey pretend say we don't see, whether you like it or not, it go affect all of us. I dey only pray make it not affect those people where you see and where you speak against them. This was what Kalu, Orji Kalu, so. When I don't say this man not the side of the real Igbo people right from time. He did the satanic. In fact, he's working with either the satanic Igbo people or he's working with the satanic elites that have caused the pains that you and I are facing today in Nigeria. Now that category belong. That is where he belong. So he coming out now, say, make Babangida confess. No, sorry, make he write another second book. Make he continue to confess. Make he write another second book. Where could I help me ask Oswald Kalu? I don't know why that was the enter my mouth. Orji Kalu, what is he waiting to hear? Waiting this man wants to hear. Igbos have been denying the #1 seat in Nigeria. We never see Oswald Kalu come out to speak why Peter Obi was denying in 2023. We never see him. He's asking for more questions at this moment. I don't know anything, no, as we see on the character on the given like that. I say make una talk for comment section. What is your take on this video of Oswald Kalu, Orji Kalu? So this is NAIJA Watch Media. Thank you very much. 7 p.m. Nigerian time. We will talk about this extensively. Take care and bye for now.